are. Seathwaite to the Borrowdale Valley. It's absolutely stunning. Still a lot of people about. Susie's got her bag out already and taking pictures. That's where we're heading. Well, part of it. And we've got to turn around behind this one, Base Brown. And up towards Sty Head Tarn, and the back Sprinkling Tarn. Hopefully come back up and over Glaramara and Allen Crags first, and Glaramara, and then drop down. That's the intention. That's where we are today. We've got 2 days backpacking. Got a food with us. Dogs have got theirs. The climate is absolutely beautiful. Probably in a bit too warm, but stunning. Absolutely stunning. Not much breeze. Yeah, probably going to sweat a bit, but it's going to be worth it. So we'll bring you back.
Coming along the track now to the farm at the end of the road. We're going to take a right, taking us over a bridge. Keep on heading south. Gill on our right. Hello!
Over. Started yell. Yeah, that's where we walked. The valley. And not too far over that rise will be Sty Head Tarn. Still people coming down from there now. Find a pitch anywhere. Gable up there. Sue looks like she's found a pitch. So just put my rucksack on and we'll go over. What a beautiful Eden. Absolutely stunning. I think most of the people who've been up to Scarfell and that end from this way probably already off the hills by now. The majority. We shouldn't see too many more people. Footpath is there. If we're over that side we should be fine. I'll bring you back.
There you go, all pitched up. Now there's a view to wake up to in the morning. She went up a dream, but the ground here is really rocky underneath, so we've used these pegs. There you go, can't really see them. They've gone in all right. We've used a stone to push them in. There you go. So she's all secure. Coming right down to the bottom. There's a little vestibule in there. There you go. Did you get that? So we've started to pull out the pub. So we got a couple of those to start with, a couple of shots. We've got more in the bag. We didn't bring any water up like I said. I don't really think we need any. That there is not us. I will be packing that up and taking it with me tomorrow. I don't know why you'd leave that. He probably thinks it burns. Well, it has to a degree, but it weighs nothing. take it with you. Like, Jessie has just gone in and nicked a chew. No! Why, Sina, did you nick a chew? You did? I got it on camera now. Look at her. Look at her, you little Mary. You'll be out of them before you know it. You can't have any more. You've had 3. No, don't make me. They melt you, don't they?
This has obviously been a place where many campers have come. There's a fire pit there and fire pit there. So we'll have a tidy up when we go. But you can see why it's a popular place. That's what it's for. Everyone to enjoy. Try and enjoy it and respect and look after it. Be there for generations. Sue and I just absolutely love this place. It's fantastic.
Wait, Phil. Look at that. God, I wouldn't like to pitch down there. Bit of wind and that might come tumbling down. It's probably been up there for centuries. Wait, Phil. Beauty. Stunning. Oh, wow, that's a different type of stunning. That was really good, that. Well timed, babe. Yeah, I have. No, I haven't opened it because it might have gone flat. Cool. There's midges around. They certainly can. Yes. Leave us the well alone. We got our midge nets. We bought some midge spray and left it in the car. You never. Oh, you stunner. Well, I might need some in a little bit.
You carried it up.
Why am I not surprised? Just call me donkey. I've just got to say, on our way up, we bumped into 3 guys coming down towards Borrowdale. And they said, do you know where we are? And I says, yeah. Do you know where you are? Well, we've parked in Wasdale Head. Oh. Well, you're going the wrong way, mate. You need to turn around and go back to where you come from. Which they didn't want to do. They were starving. They took the wrong pathway. Headed down in Borrowdale.
Those lads, they've walked in a straight line, basically.
They have. So they said what they're going to do is call a taxi at the bottom in Borrowdale to take them back to Wastwater. I don't think they know how far that really is by road.
Do they?
No. If they come this way, they'll be better off sleeping down there the night.
And go back this way? Is that girl we saw working up earlier?
Where?
Other side of Tarn.
Could be.
Come across here. See it? Yeah.
Yeah, I can see a couple of girls.
No. Sue.
What?
That girl there.
I can't even see where you mean.
There.
Is that a girl?
Girl.
Oh, a girl. I'm looking for a girl. My chest is quite bad. I'm just getting over a cold. A girl. Oh. Hello, girl.
You know, no, what I'm getting at. You went down that way, didn't you?
Yeah, is that the same one?
Well, I don't know. Looks like it.
It does, doesn't it?
In black.
Well, anybody looks the same when you're looking from about 300 metres away.
Right.
You've got bloody good eyes.
Alright. What's that chap doing in that girl there?
In the gill or in the girl?
In the girl in the blue there, see him now?
Yeah. He's around about there. There he is. There's a girl.
Is he camping?
Not sure.
Off the footpath. The girl's on the footpath. Good morning. Haven't already said it. We're just on our way up. Tent's down there by the tarn. We're just going up to Sty Head Tarn. Flag our first wainy. And there probably is other routes are coming up this way. But we just decided to come straight from the tarn. So we're like plotting our own path. You can see the coast there. Look at the views. It's incredible. Absolutely incredible. Susie. Here we are. True summit of C28 fell. Over there on that pinnacle there is Wainwright's 601 summit. So we're up here. True summit. And the views are incredible. Alan Crags there. That's where we're going to go tonight or tomorrow. Drop down that ridge, go up over and over Glaramara, and then go down. Lovely, absolutely beautiful. Down the valleys down there, people right down there. Back over to German water.
Can you spot our tent? Stealth mode. There you go. I can't even find it myself. There she is. Huh.
Sprinkling tarn, and we're just sprinkling some of it into our sprinkling water.
We're a little bit thirsty.
Sun's come back out again. Keeps coming out. When it comes out, it makes about 5 or 6 degrees difference. There you go. Straight up at Great End. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Dogs are flat out.
Oh, look at them, bless them.
What, they've had the water, they can go under the water when they want to cool off.
Exactly.
So,
having a break a little way up.
That's where we're going, on that footpath there. Over there. Up there to there. There somewhere, where the path is. There. There we're going to go across. Behind this hump. Up towards there. Susie had to go back to, well, she didn't have to, one of us did. Susie chose to go to Sty Head Tarn. We left a little black bag there. This one. And Susie just marched all the way up and down there. Now she's going to cool off. Here we are, right in the middle between Alan Crags and Glaramara, is up that way. And we're right in the middle. Stopped here because there's water. Now what we're going to do now is just have a wander around, try and find a nice level pitch.
Gonna lose our sun massively.
Oh, that's a point.
Huh.
Oh.
Let's go back up.
Okay. Welcome back. There's the pitch. What a pitch, look at that. S pike, fell. Round the corner, it's like nails. We've still got the ever looming Great End, Great Gable, Green Gable. And by the time we finish, we'll have a little wander around.
Breaking camp now. Just a bit of flat grass. Look at this bag of rubbish. There are one of our little tips. And you bought some hairbands and just keeps everything tidy. There we go. So there's our little tip. A tip from the top. There we go.
we are. Back down by Sty Head. And we've just come down there. And this might not do it any justice. I've got to be honest with you, both of my two legs are pumped. Coming down there, bounce big toenail at the front of my boots umpteen times. That's what we come down just. Down that gale, all the way down that. I got to be honest with you, it was fairly steep. Not fairly steep, it was steep. And then, don't even think that's the summit, because the summit's way past there. And the locals are out in force. Wishes home. Welcome home, babe. There we are. We're all done. And we're out of here. No trace. Unlike some, there's left tent pegs everywhere, which is a campsite. You're going to get your casual campers. But what a lovely little place this is. I don't think it'll be the first time and the last time we come here. £6 a night for an adult, that's all it is. Dogs are free. Cars are free. Like some of these campsites, charging for a dog, charging for a car, charge if you have a poo. Yeah, it is, by the way, 50p if you want to shower, but the shower's 4 minutes, and in all honesty that's long enough. Both me and Sue had a shower within that 50p time limit. But it is a lovely little campsite. I often wonder why they made the car park there, because that's dead flat and great for pitching, and not have a car park here. But there we go, that's only my opinion. But all in all, it's absolutely a lovely place. Yeah.
There's a little, like not a village, like almost a little hamlet down there.
Yeah, there is. I'll tell you what it's called in a minute. I think it's Rothwaite or something like that. Yeah, it might be Rothwaite. But it is nice, lovely. Anyway, that's it for us.